Hey guys, Rachel here at Calkins Find in the Branches, and I am here today to show you how to use your Lampe Berger lamp for the first time. Let's go! Every Lampe Berger lamp comes with these different pieces. You'll have your funnel. This is for you to pour in your liquids. Your wick, that will go in every lamp. Snuffer cap, and your aerating cap. When you fill your lamp, you'll take your funnel and put it in your bottle. Once your funnel is in your lamp, you can go ahead and fill your fuel. Remember to only fill it about 2/3 full to about a half. Do not overfill your lamp. Once you fill your lamp, go ahead and take out your funnel. You'll take your wick, put this in the bottle, and just feed it through here. Once you put your wick in, you can press down and leave it that way, or you can turn it to the right and it will tighten your wick so that it doesn't move. Just be sure that whenever you go to take your wick out, that you do turn it left again to pull it back out. So you'll put that back on there, then take your snuffer cap. That goes on there, and your aerating cap will go on top to wait. You need to let this sit then for 20 minutes so that your wick will get nice and soaked with the fuel and be ready for you to light. I have another lamp that has already sat the full 20 minutes and is ready to be activated. Take off your aerating cap and your snuffer cap, and your wick is ready to be lit. So we take a lighter, and you can use either a lighter or a match, it doesn't matter, and you will light the ceramic stone. The flame can be really big, so don't panic. It will go down, but this is just activating your ceramic stone so that your lamp will work. You need to let this go for 2 minutes, and then you will see your flame die down. You can see it's not as tall as it was. It's ready for you to go ahead and blow out as your ceramic stone is now activated on the lamp. Just one easy blow. You'll take your aerating cap, put that on, and that is just so that you will not burn your hand and so that the air can still go through the cap and get to the stone so that your lamp can work. Your lamp is now activated and already running. You should smell your scent that you put in here that is in your fuel, or if you're just running it with the pure, you'll be able to know that it's running. Make sure that you leave your lamp on 1 minute per 5 square feet in your home. Go ahead and set your Alexa timer so that you don't forget to turn it off. When you're ready for your lamp to be finished and you've run it for the full amount of time in your rooms, you'll go ahead, take off your aerating cap. Remember, this is warm. Put on your snuffer cap. One quick tap to make sure that's on there. Remember, it is hot. And then just put your aerating cap on so that you don't lose it. Now that you know how to use your Lampe Berger lamp, don't forget to stop by the store, check out any of our new fragrances, or ask us any questions you may still have about your lamp. Check us out online at www.findinthebranches.com and also on Facebook. See you soon.